After combing through the Google Pixel subreddit, I've noticed a number of people experiencing slow upload and download speeds when using their new Pixel 6 or Pixel 6 Pro on a Wi-Fi 6 network. And while Google works to uncover this bug, I wanted to offer a number of suggestions that can help work around this issue so network speeds are fast again. So right off the bat, I want to mention the quick fix that seems to resolve this issue. So if your Google Pixel 6 Wi-Fi 6 download speeds are slow, then the first thing that you can do is toggle Wi-Fi off and then back on again. You can see that in the internet tile right here, that we can just turn Wi-Fi off and turn it back on. I'm seeing multiple people confirm that even though this workaround can be annoying, it does indeed fix the issue and it returns download speeds to normal. But I do understand that losing Wi-Fi connectivity entirely isn't an ideal solution, so I've looked into some other options that we can go over here as well. So for example, some of these new routers have issues when the device has an active Bluetooth connection. So if you're noticing some slow speeds on your Google Pixel 6 Pro, then check to see if Bluetooth is enabled and go ahead and disable it, and then test to see if that fixes the issue for you. Now, some suggest that Android 12 is having trouble managing an optimal connection when the 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz network has the same SSID. So you could see if your router software allows you to change this before checking if your Wi-Fi 6 download speeds return to normal. Others have noticed that their Pixel 6 does not work well with their Wi-Fi 6 network when Wi-Fi 5 roaming is enabled. Now, this router feature is supposed to make things easier, but a few people have said their slow Pixel 6 network speeds are fixed when this feature is disabled. Now, we're unsure if this bug is Pixel or Android 12 related, or if it is actually router or Wi-Fi 6 related. But it's something you should check up on if you are experiencing these slow speed issues. And the last thing I can suggest is that everyone send feedback to Google about this issue. The more people that send Google this message and that alerts Google to this issue, the more data that they are going to have to examine the bug, and the quicker that they're going to be able to roll out a fix in the future. It's possible to directly send them feedback about this issue through the Settings app. So after you open it up, just scroll down to the bottom. There's going to be a tips and support option that we can tap. And then from here we can scroll down to the bottom again, and we have the send feedback button. Just tap this button and send Google some feedback and a little bit of information about when you are experiencing these low download speeds on Wi-Fi 6 networks.